Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to cook Karela and onion vegetable which is very yummy and healthy. So let's start the recipe in my style. I have 2 pound Karela. After cutting I soaked them for 30 to 40 minutes in a bowl of water and salt to minimize its bitterness. Then I washed and dried properly. Let's fry them in a hot oil. Make sure your oil should be very hot on medium to high flame. Let's fry them until they are golden brown. Most of the kids don't like them because of its bitter taste, but if you will soak them in a salty water and then will fry in a hot oil, I guarantee you your bitter gourd will not be bitter in taste anymore and your kids will love it. Almost got the color. Let's take them out in a dish. You can see they are so crispy. Okay, I'm going to add 1.5 pound of onion. You can see the size of onions. They are not too thin. I will fry the onion until they are light brown. Okay, so you can see the color. Here we will add spices. I'm going to add half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric. Let's fry them for about 1 minute. I did not add too much red chili powder because my red chili powder is super spicy, and later on I'll also add some green Thai chilies. Let's fry them, and now it's time to add some more spices. I'm going to add half teaspoon crushed red chili powder, 1 large tomato, 4 crushed green Thai chilies. Fry them for about 2 minutes, not too much. We don't want to lose the shape of tomatoes. Okay, so now let's add our fried Karelas, bitter gourd. After adding them, we will not cook them too much, like everything is already cooked. So we will just mix them, fry them for almost 2 to 3 minutes or maximum 5 minutes, and we are done. You can see all the colors, the tomato color, the green chili color, the Karela's color, the onion texture. So don't overcook this vegetable. I love this sizzling sound. Smell is amazing. My food is ready and I'm hungry as well. I'm going to eat. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like and share. And if you want to say something, please let me know in comment section. See you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.